Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to talk about the best soil mix that I use for lavender plants. So we have, these are the fern lavenders, and what I'm going to show you is the soil mixture that I use for this plant because it doesn't like to stay really moist in really moist soil. It likes quick draining soil. So I'm going to show you how I mix the soil for potting these lavender plants. So like my other YouTubes, you'll see that I like to use this Kellogg brand. I've found it's worked the best. It's a little bit better than Miracle Grow because it doesn't have as many fillers, so I'd recommend using the Kellogg Patio Plus. And then you're going to use just vermiculite. This is the brand I use. It's just because it's at the hardware store. So any type of vermiculite and Kellogg Patio Plus, or any patio soil that's organic, and I wouldn't recommend using Miracle Grow. So what I do is, it's really simple. Just get a bucket. You need a big bucket, and then you just need something that you can do ratios in. So what I'll do is I'll do two parts of the patio soil. And this patio soil has perlite and other amendments in it, which is totally fine. You just want to make sure that whatever you're doing, you want to do two parts patio soil, and then 1 part of vermiculite. And this is going to get messy because I'm going to do one hand. Alright, 1 part vermiculite. And just as a tip, when you are mixing vermiculite into a soil, it takes a minimum of 1/3 parts vermiculite to really change the consistency of the soil. So if you want to do a quick draining soil and you only put like a 1/4 worth of vermiculite, it's not going to have a dramatic impact on the soil. So remember, at a minimum, you want to do 1/3 part vermiculite to any kind of soil to have a dramatic effect. And then after that, you just mix it up. And you'll have this really nice soil. You can see all the vermiculite mixed in. It's going to be quick draining soil that keeps the moisture levels consistent for your lavender plant.